wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
It's a 11-goal thriller at the Lucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 7. Suhelele 4. Bekora banqaku namhlanje. First half and the second half, 2 hat-tricks in one game. Brian Leon scoring a hat-trick for Sundowns. Kampani Lungu scoring a hat-trick for Isuhelele. Sundowns collecting maximum points and making sure they open a 6-point gap between Bona and Orlando Pirates. We are playing Emakesi later on tonight. Junior, madukubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Shane kunjani mfethu?
I'm okay, brother.
Sharp mbrala. Ngicela ukubulisa igame mayiphela
Yeah,
mfethu ebantwini.
yeah.
Shane.
Sure.
Usiema is a very good coach. That's for me. Except this game. I mean, Siema, he beat Kaizer Chiefs. Adlala nga 5 youngsters in Johannesburg with DTC. It drew against a very powerful Orlando Pirates this year. One of the best attacking team, on my opinion. Yeah, he came to Sundowns away, Lucas Maripe. It was not the obvious goal. First half, I think, I said the first 15 minutes, it was looked like a walkover. Yeah, but the way he approached the game. Both teams, they've attacked very well. I think, for me, but attack both teams. But poor defensively, both teams. As calling Sundowns, I mean, Sundowns, they did very well. As calling first, they attacked 4. Today, I think there was a structure front. Well done to the coach. Credit to the coach, to Mikel Cardoso, to play with the right-footed player, right wing forward. Go be ne balance kwa take yako. Mama check yake first half, but take up outside. And Ununo, I think, overloading on the right hand side, always going around this guy. Magam support close goes around this boy. Kutlwane Tlako created 2v1. Well done to Nuno. Well done to this boy, Kutlwane Tlako. Well done to Mitus, because he was on song now. I mean, Sundowns attack first half. Marcelo Allende. Also, Debs are battling at 2 midfielders today. Being a good defensive midfield. Energy level from Sundowns going forward. Something else. Sundowns, I think the problem was 2 center back. I don't think there's combination between Ekren Kekana
And
Ndamani. Honestly, on the higher level, they're gonna get exposed. This boy Ndamani, I mean, Lela Kolake, they change the complexion of the game. Nowadays, guys, they believe Gutu can score because they never created a goal in Kulmangayo Siema. Siema wanted to play open game against Sundowns. Nyama Zumuntu, I mean, is a friend of mine because of I love his football philosophy, football. It's like football philosophy, the way he understands the game. I'm frustrated as umchita. Nyama Zaksumuntu ngat magadlala against Orlando Pirates or Sundowns play. Sort of as low block. Today wanted to play open game, but pound to pound players, I don't think
Tell me, Junior, sorry to call him for you. Tell me, did you expect Coach Lishono Siema to come into this game, play a high line, play an open game against Sundowns? Because there's an interesting stat. Coming into this game, Isuelele in their last 11 league games, they've only conceded 5. Namhlanje, they conceded 7. Meaning that if you consider 5 in 11 games, that means you prioritize your defense. But tell me, if when did you expect Coach Siema to play an open game against Sundowns? Because not everyone can go there and play an open game against Sundowns.
Njoba ngisho mina is a friend of mine. Ngiyakhuluma nale ngwenya of work, a city of air nami. Na Espanin sakangeke Espanin. Ngithanda the way he understand football. I learn umuntu esibonisana ngefootball, not to say unama opinion wakhe, but the way he understand football, I love it. Yabo is a typical South African coach who doesn't believe much to stereotype players. Yabo to give players baz express to believe ngoma youngsters. He can give lentwana lo mfana uJeza Fede is a TTC from SuperSport. Last time ngeke Chiefs udlale nga 5. So bengi expected with mina uzodlala so. It's just that bengi uzoba nendlela. He can't play angeke azadlale high line
against
also bengi futhi wona Shane bengi bheka ukuthi my brother uzodlala sort of maybe a counter attack. Yes, ngiyazi umuntu obelieve ku positioning play. Let's play high intensity yakwazi kuyimastera because I'm a small sided into yakhe. Ama player ke technically so good. But now udlala high line wafuna pound to pound to compete with Sundowns in terms of the ball positioning, everything, build up.
Yeah.
Because along department like Sundowns they play, but the Sundowns want to check how they build up today. Less, I mean, in the midfield every time the body language. Upegelo mfana lo on the right hand side, a sense of agency. This boy, Kutwane Litlako. Best Nuno, sense of agency. Upege Leo, always ready. Dangerous player, dangerous.
Inside the box.
No. Dangerous. So, Matthews as well, very dangerous. So, the sense of each and these 4 players, the difference between his players up front, which is Ukampani Lungu, I think.
There was also Upalit was playing left back. If I'm not mistaken.
No, it was Nisho up front. It was.
Or for Suelele.
Yeah, Upotsane, Ukampani Lungu, Cheza.
Yeah.
These 3 players, and also Moralo, number 10. The body language, I think, questionable compared to Sundowns attackers. Uzamile Magaman in the midfield, Makwane is right in the midfield, he scored the goals. But the way we're considering a corner now, they can come back and score 4 goals. But because of the coach is so stereotyping philosophy of the identity, the way you believe with this play. I mean, he came back second half. But I think they were losing 5-1.
That was 5-1 first
Yes, he got. I mean, this guy over peeling. The center back Orlando Pirates, Ndamani. I mean, the Lapola ball creator.
Ndamani.
The body language.
Junior is playing for Sundowns. He's not playing for Paris.
I mean, singer for Sundowns.
Yeah.
Very disappointing, honestly. Luamfana Loyana, he will kiss his chances goodbye. I mean, no equal is too late. I wish anything bad from Chita, but. Senkulma bo Champions League, I mean, they chance yakhe Champions League, mhlawumbe umfana bengashintsha impilo yakhe go to Europe. Who knows? Because Champions League, everybody will be watching. Now, if you concede this way, you give away, Shama give away this way. Maya Champions League final, but they never doubt. Also, any into the wind depending on terrible, and Yamchandu Opry. But honestly, I mean, equal number 3 lala wantu. I think kumele thathe accountability to Opry lapha bengamelanga 10. If you not too sure, just play the goalkeeper, play outside. Now 2 center back when always got caught flat-footed, and it's disappointing with no Ronwen Williams mele ngikhulume naye. I mean, Ronwen every ball palini male away nje kuyi kancane, it's a goal. Disappointing uRonwen beyangekho. So all noma badlali back pass, it looked like ngathi uzenza giveaway. Ronwen and access a threat. But I don't think this Celtics guy they were scared of him. Second half, I think I'm a subway coach Mikel Cardoso, they let it down. And Ziggy being expected a boy also take over from Nuno.
Yeah.
Because it's more of like to like he played Fana Nuno. Yeah. Just say to Nuno, yes, these international they develop this
higher quality.
Yeah, they develop these players at the early age. Yes, this boy is talented. Make no mistake. That's why I USA as well. But uthathi isikhathi naye kuba segemini. I mean, West Usales was West, losing each and every ball figure kuye. And now Iswelele they to believe. When's Amasapo coach and Amasapo akamncedile, Mokwane got a goal, well done to him. Kampane Lungu they got a penalty. Coach understand why people mhlawumbe lento engisho ukuthi bathena umdiba la bathene and then they get a goal bamkora. But lento lebonga coach ukuthi uzumkhiphe now ufaka ulunga ngataka ngomapanga. I mean, udlale ngataka ngomapanga ulunga. Always nervous, the crowd might shout. I understand ukhabela ibhola ngaphandle when you want to play this back pass. Unfortunately, the score qine ku 7-4. Igame bengathi close manje. And their goal different by Vanilla because Sundowns they were cruising shade. If I can be honest, first half besicabanga ukuthi kuba boma 11. Ngoba capable ikayishaya 24 goals. But honestly they failed to manage the game. Sundowns they failed to manage the game. They play open game at the back they open up. Abumdao, tactical, I don't think they would discipline open Diba as well. 2 center back, they go more forward. Bastresha, Bafadela Umdao, also Mdiba. Very disappointing, but Sundowns, I think they were chasing Ilento Abuguti, Bebasebafuna Makul. I think Paris Besebafagama a pressure with Tina Sakora. Bebana listing with Paris, they score goals, which is true. Paris was 7 goals per game. So in Tebafagi pressure now. Junior,
thank you so much, my brother, for your analysis. That's Junior Kanye. Ngumdlalo besubukele sobabini ke Lucas Masterpieces Mode Pace. Mamelodi Sundowns 7, Siwelele 4. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.